On Amazon can be stressful. I would know about it because I've been doing it for years. Today I'm going to share 5 tips with you that will help you cope with the entrepreneurial pressures that come with this whole thing and help you be in a stronger mindset. This is a marathon, not sprint, and we are starting right now. Hey guys, this is Farah. This channel is all about building business on Amazon. If you're interested in that, then please do subscribe. So tip number 1 is set realistic small targets. Product research is usually the first stage of setting up your Amazon business, and you want to give yourself enough time, but not too much time that you overthink the whole thing. So for example, a target could be that I'm going to give myself 2 weeks up to a month max to find 2 to 3 good product ideas. The reality is that Amazon is going to bring the customer to its marketplace. That's their job. People are already there searching for things. Of course, product research is very important, but it's very easy to overanalyze this whole thing and just be paralyzed by it. In July 2020, Amazon managed to bring in 440 million unique visits to its website. And this figure is just for Amazon UK. There's every type of product already there on the platform. You're just trying to source a product within your budget and trying to get it to the market as it's feasible for you. Understand that and accept that role so you can excel at it. Tip number 2 is have some patience. Have patience with yourself and patience with Amazon's algorithm, where it's learning where to place your products, and educate yourself. Keep trying smaller runs of different products and see what sticks, what is making you more profit. Tip number 3 is do not be the cheapest option on the market in your niche. Just don't cut your prices. You have done so much work and gone through so much pains to learn about this whole system, and it's expensive to run Amazon business. It's not what it used to be. There are a lot of fees involved, whether you do FBA or FBM. So charge the prices that you deserve and have patience, like I said in tip number 2. Stop competing on price because it will be coming out of your pocket and going into Amazon's. Tip number 4 is create a brand. Small brands are winning on Amazon. It's a real thing, guys. I know I keep harping on about this, but it's true. You need to understand this, that you should select products that you feel excited about, because what can happen is that you can create a brand around it and you can really build this thing. Trademark your brand name, whatever it is that you've decided. The very important reason for this is that Amazon itself doesn't like to be called a flea market, which it was called in a recent Wall Street Journal article. Now you may ask that why is it so important to create a brand when I am just selling random products and everybody else has got it too, and it's the same thing and it's coming from the same manufacturers. How can we differentiate? There are a lot of counterfeit products and Amazon is not doing enough to tackle this problem. There's a lot of fake reviews, which we all know is happening on Amazon. And Amazon is being forced with all this recent negative PR that it's getting to give sellers more tools like transparency and Amazon brand store to really create a brand identity and really connect with the customers, whereas before they used to suppress it and it was all about a product just being delivered from Amazon. And it's something that's totally not working in sellers' favor yet, but it's something that is a way to compete on this marketplace and build an income for yourself. So like I said previously, once you've got some momentum going in your cash flow in your business, then start investing in products that you really like and would like to have a brand around and you're passionate about. Still here and watching this, thank you so much. Give this video a thumbs up so more people can see this video. Tip number 5 is money is the biggest motivator in your business. When you see after all your hard work, you have put a product online and it's selling and money's coming in and you're recouping your investment, it will motivate you to do another one, and you should reinvest your profits into your business so you can build it up. And to be honest, this is the biggest one for all the sellers. If you see your products doing well, you are motivated to improve them and do a better version. Every time I'm running low on motivation and I'm having some issues with Amazon and I just want to quit, I remind myself that look what I've built over the past decade, how far I've come, what this Amazon business has achieved for me and my family. As And for myself as a long-term seller, I need to take a break and appreciate what I've achieved so far. Otherwise, all this competing and trying to get your business to the next level, it really gets to you because it's a constant struggle. It's something that you have to work on every day. I've been able to create a life for myself where I don't have to wake up really super early in the morning and there is no commute to my laptop. I can just start working whenever I want. I'm able to work flexible hours, which is something so many of us need right now. You can make a living on Amazon based on data and search compared to posturing on Instagram and creating content endlessly on YouTube and not seeing results. I mean, I get it. People are building personal brands and brands for their businesses. That's what I'm doing here on YouTube. But it's a long game. It is going to pay off in the long run. But for your day-to-day living, you need money to live on. And Amazon gives you that opportunity. It's just facts, guys. My only regret with the Amazon business is that I didn't start building my brand on YouTube sooner. If I had started 5 to 6 years ago when my brand was at its peak and we had hit our peak revenue, that was over £1 million in revenue. If I had started at that time, my brand would have been in such a better state than it is now. But the problem is that I was happy in my corner of the internet on Amazon. I didn't care. I'm an introvert. I'm not a very social person. I didn't used to use YouTube a lot. And I didn't know that this is what you have to do as a business person. I was looking to work with branding agencies and PR companies. And the fact is, they just don't understand how Amazon works. Because to them, it's just, they just buy things from Amazon. But who are the sellers? People have no idea how this works. Only people who are in this ecosystem really understand it. So the lesson here is take your time to build this business for the long term so you are able to do things that you want to do in your life. It is flexible, so take your time, but not too much time. Don't overthink it. Just start practicing. Start with some test products and just see how it goes. Learn. There are great resources available on Amazon Seller University that is by Amazon itself. You can teach yourself so many things just by going there. So I hope you found this video useful. I really struggled to make this today because I am not in the mood, but I've taken my own advice and I am doing the thing because I'm thinking long term, what it means for my future goals and what it means for my business. So take care and I will see you next week. Bye.